Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. And it's Thursday. It's almost Friday. And you know what happens? Oh, this Friday, Evolving Skies officially releases. So, hey, let's celebrate with a pack of Eevee heroes. Yeah, man. I was totally expecting a rare or a double rare yesterday. So, I have no idea. I have no idea if we're going to get it or not. So, here's to hoping. Got activity card number 5. I have no idea. And we start off with the Araquanid. Fierce. It's a little out of focus. It's okay. We got the Pangoro. The cool pose on the cliff. And a Meryl. So cute. Pika Blue. Alright. And our uncommon of the day. Second to the last pack is a trader. Oh, a stadium card. Ooh, okay. This one was the one where I thought I put a it's like each player it's like you can on each player's turn or something like that. It's like you could like replace it. Like you could return active both your active Pokemon and your opponent's one. Is what I vaguely remember what I thought it translated to. And according to Evolving Skies, it says once during each player's turn, that player may put a Pokemon tool attached to one of their Pokemon into their hand. Oops, that's totally wrong. Tool? Did I see? Pokemon. Yeah, it doesn't say. Aw. I was looking for I would have been looking for the katakana for tool, but I guess not. It's attached to their Pokemon. So it made me think it was the Pokemon, but it's not. Okay. Cool. Good to know. Alright. And the final card of our pack. We're still hoping for, 2 double rares, but we'll see. Oh no, it's another uncommon. Oh jeez, this stings a little more. We got Persian. Oh, Persian. This one's pretty easy. 1 colorless, 30 damage. Your deck. One might draw a card. See if Persian's in Evolving Skies. Oh, Persian is not in Evolving Skies. Dang. Pull up the Google Translate. Oops. Translation. What? Hiku. Pull a card from your deck. I think it means draw a card. And 2 colorless and 70 damage. So there we go. Dang, we got all of these, but let's see. I want the stadium. So we don't do enough trainers. Oof, heavy binder. Let's double check the binder. And today we've got Araquanid. Got Meryl. Nothing over here. And got Pankoro, as well as Persian. And our stadium card. Shopping mall. Fashion Mall. I don't know. I just had it up. Ooh. Oh well. Oh, it's called Shopping Center in English. But in here it says Fashion Mall. Alright. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. See you back here tomorrow for the final pack of Evolving Skies on our wonderful Friday. And the release of Evolving Skies. So stay tuned. Nothing super special planned except, just the last pack. Still hoping for at least one more double rare, but if we don't get it, it is what it is. So, alright. Have a fantastic Friday, and I will see you guys. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys next time.